here today, let us remember that every great achievement begins with a single step.
Business-oriented computer skills has taken another dimension, another direction.
Box is taking a new shape. I think we'll have to look for a different nomenclature. So when we came here, we used to do a lot of research because we really want to bring a lot of change in the field of education.
Let me introduce you all to my teammates. I am Stuti. She is Sakshi. Vision is to provide an innovative product, high quality product to the customers.
It has a chain of stores throughout India.
The Lakme provides ethical sourced product. As you all know that it is India's leading beauty brand.
The current market position of Lakme.
The top one makeup brand. We have also mentioned in our PPT. It is owned by the Indian consumer goods company, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited.
Lots of flavors and varieties available.
Dazzly Tutti Frutti.
We can interpret that majority of the respondents opined that the ad is highly appealing.
Therefore, the company can still concentrate on its pricing strategy.
You have collected a lot of information, more inclination of people towards healthier options.
The ad maker thinks about what should be the story, who should be the brand ambassador. Can you name few other competitors that you have not mentioned?
Elevates mental and physical performances.
Red Bull was pioneered by Tate Rich. The energy drink was inspired by the Thailand drink. In 2003, Red Bull was introduced its marketing slogan,
Providing energy to their consumers. Its revenue in United States is $5.3 million.
ಮೂರು ಟೀಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUCಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಅನುಮಾನಗಳಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬೆಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್.
I would like to thank Rupesh sir for being amongst us today. Fantastic jury members we ever had in Sati.